Oh my God, now it's gonna be forever embedded in our minds. Scan one, bag one. So after a long wait, thinking, shout out to my girl. Well, I just came off of a live on a channel called Crystal from the Bronx. I want to give a huge shout out to her because there was a really big miscommunication, and after speaking like women, we talked and figured it out, and I just want to give a huge shout out to you for actually giving me a chance to speak with you on the situation, and I actually really like her. That is what I was just doing. I was checking my YouTube, checking comments, checking lives, after calling pharmacy, getting my, by the way, I got my appointment for the general neurologist, which I thought, I mean, I told the girls, I was like, I'm about to go fight with this turkey and try to cook the turkey today, but the turkey's still freaking frozen. So I can't fight with this turkey. I don't understand. Maybe by the end of tonight, if I leave it out all day, it'll be done by tomorrow. But it won't fit in my pressure cooker, so I can't cook it in the pressure cooker. And I don't really want a turkey like that anyway, because I feel like it won't be good. It needs to be crispy or something, you know? But anyway, these are the curls from the next day. I need to drink water, guys. My skin, I've been using the medication for my skin again, so it's drying out and breaking out, and then it will get better, I guess. It has to get worse before it gets better, and that's the part that I mess up on, because once it starts getting bad and then like my makeup don't look good, I stop using it, which is shame on me because I have to use it right for it to work. Anyway, so scratch that. I have a list somewhere, and on my list it was call the pharmacy, fight with the turkey, take a shower, and clean up. So at this point, I guess I'm going to take a shower so you don't have to see me like this all day. I'm not sure if I want to wash my hair or do something else. I'll probably do something else because I put heat on my hair, so I might as well use it, right? Oh, my face. Anyway, I look crazy. Since I'm gonna take a shower, I'm gonna put this cap on. It feels so good when you just itch your head. I took my nails off, so I will be cleaning the bathroom today, so. Where'd you go? Where'd you go? Okay. I'm going to take a shower, guys. By the way, I'll be back. I figure since this turkey is still defrosting, we are going to utilize the rest of this chicken right here, and we're going to make some chicken and rice. That's what we're gonna do. Quick and easy dinner. I'll probably make it early, then I won't have to worry about cooking later, right? It'll stay hot in the pressure cooker. Excuse me, I burped. It'll stay hot in the pressure cooker, and when anybody wants to eat, they can just eat. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to everybody who said I missed the garlic bread and the salad with that lasagna, but we were totally excited about that damn lasagna. We didn't think about nothing else. We just wanted to eat, and by that time it was like 8 o'clock at night, so I didn't even think about the salad and the garlic bread, but that would have been a good freaking idea. Just saying, shout out to you. Anyway, I'll be back. I lied. We gotta work out first, remember? We gotta work out our little workout. So I'm gonna go work out now. I gotta get these muscles right. No free promotion, no blessings. You need to dress it. Does she do? I do everything. I'm on everything. Put that on my. I get so offended. Grab the concrete. You know it ain't sweet. Can tell me anything. All right, let's go. Let's go. Getting hefty. I'm gonna have to cut this whole part out, or else I'm going to have to blur this. If this is blurred, you know why. Day 7, bitches. Y'all get it. Let's get it. Two, three, and... Did you hear that? That was my bones cracking. My bones is cracking, baby. My bones. All right. Now I'll be back, okay? I hope I motivated somebody with that shit because... All right. I'm out the shower. I've been here editing. Yeah. So I'm going to clean the bathroom now. It's now, I don't have my glasses on, 2:59. I mean 1:59. Okay? Okay. Oh, okay. And let's go. I'll see you upstairs. Okay. 1 hour later. I got my Ajax. That's what I use. Hold on, we gotta walk up yonder. That's what I use. This right here. And to clean up there. And it holds 5 toothbrushes, just like that, and set it in that little holder. And then would you look at that? Look at that. Look at this. It's automatic. Oh, sorry. See that? Look at that. So you don't lose your toothpaste. People don't leave the cap off and junk. I don't really need to brush my teeth right now, so I'm gonna just stick you right up in there like so and put you down. But I thought that was pretty nifty. Little nifty contraption. It was only like $7. So if you like it as much as I do, you should go and get yourself one because it works wonders. I gotta get the broom. Come on, come with me, come with me. See what I'm doing over here. So this right here is what I like cleaning the tub with. I tried regular, I used to use Brillo pads, and I found that I scrubbed so hard that I scraped the paint off the tub somehow. I don't know. So ever since then, I don't use Brillo pads. And I use this thing that's kind of like a Brillo pad, but it's not. I don't know. Stop, lady. Go. Her damn bone. I'm going to sweep first because I got to get down on my knees. And I don't want to go in a bunch of dirt, right? Excuse me. Bustin', 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 street life. You know that I'm shiny. Oh my God, I was raking when it was really nice outside the other day. I was raking and I freaking broke the rake. I was raking so hard. I'm telling you, this arm should be diesel. Let's go. Different speeds or whatever. It could go up with this little lever. I'm not gonna mess with it too much because knowing me, I will pull it off the fucking wall. But anyway, it does different stuff, okay? So there it goes right here. Back up in that thing, okay? I didn't go right. Oh, it's so shiny. It's so shiny, guys. Oh, floor wet. All right. So this is what my bathroom looks like. Got the mirror. We've got the sink. We've got the toilet. We've got the floor there. That's cleaned. This right here, we decided to put in here because there's no storage. And we keep all of our TP for our bungholians. That's about all she wrote. Look at my ceiling. I wonder if Tony's head touches that, or if any tall people came in here and bumped their head, like George or Robert. But anyway. And that's what that looks like. And here's the shower. Here it is. It's done, guys. I'm starving. I didn't eat anything. I'm gonna go eat some pizza from last night. A piece of pizza. I'm soaking wet now, but see, this is from the shower and it was dripping down my arm. And I'll be back. So I wrote my list today, and I pretty much got everything. I pretty much got everything that was on my list done. I'm pretty sure. I'm heating this pizza up. This eggplant, fried eggplant. I was supposed to have 2 left, but I'm pretty sure that Tony's son ate it this morning for breakfast. Yeah, so I only have 1, but that's okay. So now I gotta clean up the kitchen, which, oh, somebody's a ringing. Oh my God. So, remember the tea I was telling you that I was waiting for, guys? They were all playing. It was a whole freaking skit. I'm glad it was a skit because
I like some of them.
it was so funny with the impersonations. I just knew it couldn't be serious.
Kiss my husband.
Now, let me say this also. We are not accountable for taking it.
Oh my God, now it's gonna be forever embedded in our minds. Scan one, bag one. Scan one, bag one.
I was like, oh my God, now we. I was like, no, Nietzsche did it. They was like, well, where? Well, where? What she do to you, Janella? Oh man, I was like, huh? And one, bag one. You don't do anything that's disrespectful. You don't have to be disrespectful to get down somebody's throat either. Let me tell you.
I like them.
You can do it nice, classy, and nice.
I like them. I like you guys. You guys are cool. I like you. I like you. I like you. Oh my God, guys. What the hell was I doing? After all that, I can't even think about what I was supposed to be doing. That shit was so good. That shit was so good. It was good. Got him. All right, I guess I'm ending the vlog here. Until the next video, I'll catch you on the flip side. I'm distracted for a good cause, so that's good. Squash the beef in these streets.